In this video, we show how to replace air shroud in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover. To remove the air shroud, holding the air shroud at both ends, lift it out of the system. To install the air shroud, align the air shroud and lower into the system until it is firmly seated. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.